Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying to fix this big mouth billy bass. Got it at a garage sale for $1. As you can see there, when you turn it on, I can sometimes get it to work, like it'll start singing. There it goes. Then if you turn it some way, it turns back off. So I think that means there's a loose wire in there that just needs to be like soldered, or something needs to be fixed on the inside. So we're going to take out these screws on the back, take this cover off, and see what we can find. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse as I take this apart, and I'll get back with you. Alright, so I've identified the loose wire here. Basically it attaches to this part right here. So I put some flux on there, this terminal right here, and we're going to try and solder it. Got my soldering iron. You guys need to heat it up a little more. There it goes. So we're going to try and just melt this. Some of this old solder off here. Put a little bit of new solder on there. I'll turn this off, and we'll see if it works. Alright, so I got it working, but this button doesn't work. So I'm going to take another look at it, see if I can get the button to start working too. Okay guys, took it apart. Here's the button, and it looks like all my contacts are good. So I'm going to clean this off with a little vinegar. As you see, the button I can't get the button to work. I can get it to work, that's what I'm saying. But I just well, it's not working now. It was working a minute ago. Let's see. So it plays the full song. And then I can get it to work after that. So I'm going to clean it. And hopefully that makes it work a little better. So it seems to be working about as best as I can get it. If you guys got any comments down below, put them down below. I'll leave you guys with a little bit of big mouth billy bass. Be happy. I'll catch you all later.